Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to add files to Google Drive shared folder. So guys, as you know, a shared folder basically where you can you will see the all shared folder and file which shared by others to you. Okay, so it is called like share it with me means here you can see find all folders and file that people share it with you. So if you want to add something in shared folder, you can add. So I will show you how to add files in shared folder. So first come to the my drive, and here you can see the you can find the files. Okay, so you can also move the folders files from your my drive. So guys, here I don't have any file, so okay, let me transfer this file to my shared folder. So just click on it, right click, and go to the move. Okay, so it will be move. If you want to don't want to move, only if you want to make a copy, so just come back. Okay, okay, click on move first. Okay, and now just come back and click the share with me, and here you have to select the folder and you can move this file to the share with me. Okay, so it will be move the original file, so uh, to the shared folder. So here I don't have this file because it is already moved. So if you want to copy this file and move, so you can make, if you want to keep the copy here in your minder and then you can share. So first you have to make the copy. So how we can do this? Just choose the file, any file, and first make the copy like this. After creating copy, it is creating copy to you and copy has been created. Now choose this file. Okay, come to the recent tab and here you can find we just create this copy of file, and just choose, and now you can move it to the shared folder. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.